Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is BINTI THMAON, and we are representative from our company, which is Empire Suci, to introduce you an innovative product and for our team project, which is called Preparing Tomorrow's Innovative Muslims Today. And today I'm going to present with my friends.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NAJWA binti AHMAD KAMAL, and I'm your second presenter for today.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Ratu binti Ahmad GUZALI and I'm the third presenter.
Generally, the concept of this project is to take precautions for the welfare of the Ummah, especially during this coronavirus pandemic season. Our target is very direct. We are clearly making these products for Muslims around the world, and most of the mosques and surah stop or limit their operation due to coronavirus. So we have invented our own product, which is Suci Prayer Kit Travel-Friendly Edition with all the needed tools. This kit will ease Muslims to pray everywhere and every time, and suitable to beginners to easily learn how to pray. Suci Kit Prayer can be used by all Muslims. It's all-in-one prayer kit which contains prayer mat, a mini booklet, dua and wudu, a prayer compass for Qibla, tasbih, digital finger and spray wudu. Not only focusing on a specific gender, we also try to design it as unisex that can suit perfectly both genders. The all-in-one concept applied as this kit comes in a compact, nice and neat bag that contains various prayer instant essentials. We believe that this prayer kit will gain lots of profit, especially if we market it broadly.
Who is it for and what is the solution? Our product, the Suci Prayer Kit, is for Muslim, especially for women out there. They would definitely love our product because it is come in a compact, nice and neat small bag with various choices of pattern that can store all the 6 main items. The prayer kit basically contains mini sajadah, portable compass, mini uduk spray, a pair of socks, finger counter, and the last one is a mini doa booklet. It is all in a one kit, which is very helpful and useful for a Muslim that on their journey, vacation or travel, because our product has a complete equipment to perform the prayer. Not only target the women user, we also try to apply the unisex theme that will attract everyone who sees it, even the children or the men. Why do people need it? Like I said before, people need our product because this instant prayer kit edition comes out with a compact, nice and neat small bag that is very easy to take care of. This kit also not affected by weather conditions, so it's very stable if people just leave it in the car all day long. We believe that the situation where people forgot to bring their prayer needs like telekung and sajadah, so this kit will help Muslims to perform their prayer in a comfortable condition. With our product, all Muslims should not be worried about the heavy and actual size prayer equipment because the items that we provide are simple, comfortable, complete and ready to use for perform salah. So people can use it instantly with 6-in-1 quick tools, which is very easy and long lasting. The best part of our product is all the equipment available in this kit is very high quality and safe to use. This kit will help to keep Muslims comfortable when performing their prayer. We have discussed and tried our best to only use the best quality materials to make sure all the user and customer will satisfied with our product.
The first product, our project, is prayer mat, or we call it sajadah. People are no longer need to bring along an actual size of the prayer mat and have to bring along bigger bag to store normal sajadah. It is designed as a mini sajadah and easy to fold. This prayer mat we can bring anywhere and every time because it's very convenient, and it comes with dark blue color and decorated with image of Kaaba at the center of the prayer mat, as all Muslims require to know the Qibla or direction towards Mecca. Next, our product is Mini Doa Booklet. It is a small collection of simple and easy doa, prayers and zikir that every Muslim may need. With the new format, which is divided according to the theme or problem, we hope that this will be easier to read. There is also an extra simple tip to memorize prayers so that every Muslim can quickly memorize and understand the content of prayers.
The third item is the mini wuduk spray. The mini wuduk spray is very essential when it's come to the unexpected situation. In terms of praying, Muslims need to take wuduk before performing their prayer to make sure they are clean from anything visible. As you can see this is the finger counter. It is a tool to remind you of the number of counts such as objects, prayers, and zikir. This simple digital tasbih can be used everywhere and anytime. Just tie it to your finger or make it like a ring and you will not forget to count the zikir.
It's our fifth product, the compass. The compass helps Muslims to find the direction of Qiblah easily if they want to pray at unfamiliar places. This is our last product, a pair of cute socks. As we know, feet are a part of women aurah in Islam. So, socks will help the women who do not bring their telecom to cover their aurah for perform their prayers. What is our next step? As we concerned about the pandemic COVID-19, we produced the all-in-one prayer kit that is very compact, complete, and liked by all users. It has attractive and unique design that has a price in the market. Buying and using this Suci prayer kit, people are no longer need to buy prayer equipment separately at very expensive price. We have provided a very cheap and affordable package of prayer equipment. You know, it is only 50 ringgit for 6 items in one kit. This Suci prayer kit will bring a lot of benefits, especially if marketed more widely. Customers will get various options from only one brand because we care for the ummah.
This is our bag. Just a small size and easy to carry to everywhere.
So we as a part of Ummah, we really need this innovative product. This kit comes with a simple and easy but complete prayer kit for all Muslims, including the men, women and children, to ease everyone's journey with this ready-to-go kit. The prayer tools will bring a lot of benefits, especially if marketed more widely. Customers will get various options from only one brand because we care for the Ummah.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you.